In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Longer LK5 Pro. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a high-quality aluminum printer in black color, weighing 28.8 pounds and with dimensions of 20-inch dx20 wx15h. It boasts a stable triangular structure with reinforced inclined rods for superior stability and precision, ideal for home DIY projects and school use. With a maximum build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches and compatibility with various materials, this printer offers ample room for creativity. It features a fast printing speed of 180 mm per second and 0.1 mm precision, along with filament depletion detection and auto-resume printing capabilities. The printer also includes upgraded components for stability, such as a silicon carbide lattice glass platform and dual fans for cooling. With an ultra-quiet driver and open-source firmware, users can customize their printing experience and access advanced techniques. Additionally, the printer comes 90% pre-assembled, making it beginner-friendly, and offers 24-hour professional customer service for support. Number 2. Prusa I3 MK3S. The original Prusa I3 MK3S Plus is a 3D printer designed and manufactured by Original Prusa. It is made of plastic and metal, and comes in a silver color. The printer has dimensions of 19.6 inches in depth, 21.6 inches in width, and 15.7 inches in height, with an item weight of 10.9 kilograms. This model is the latest version of the award-winning 3D printers from the brand and comes equipped with a US power supply and an 8GB SD card. It is an assembled and tested printer, making it easy to start printing by simply plugging it in, running the initial calibration, and starting the print. The MK3S Plus features a fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, an IR filament sensor, and supports filament auto-loading, pausing the print when the filament runs out. It also includes genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, an EINSY Rambo motherboard, and other features that make it a reliable 3D printing workhorse. Additionally, the printer comes with a free sample of Prusament PLA, and Prusa Research provides lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer boasts several notable features and upgrades. Equipped with a version 4.2.2 updated silent motherboard with TMC2208 stepper drivers, this printer offers a quieter printing experience. The new UI and 4.3-inch color screen enhance user interaction and ease of operation. With a UL-certified mean-well power supply, users can quickly heat up the printer and choose between different power voltages. Smart add-ons like discreetly hidden power supply, blue extruder knob, tool drawer, and improved belt tensioners add convenience. The carborundum glass platform allows for quicker heating and better adhesion, while the 80% pre-installed design makes assembly easy. Humanized features like XY axis tensioner and rotary knob enhance user experience. The printer also supports resumed printing, saving time and filament, and the integrated all-metal design ensures quality and high-precision printing for home use. Number 4. Creality K1 Max 3D printer. The Creality K1 Max is a high-speed 3D printer designed to bring creative ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Made of aluminum, this desktop printer boasts impressive dimensions of 30 inches in depth, 25 inches in width, and 40 inches in height, with a weight of 10 pounds. Its upgraded motion system allows for rapid acceleration of up to 2000 mm² and printing speeds of up to 250 mm per second, 5 times faster than conventional printers. Equipped with smart AI LiDAR and a camera system, the printer autonomously scans the first layer during printing, ensuring high precision and alerting users to any issues. The printer's all-metal cube frame and Cartesian structure ensure stability, while features like direct extrusion adapted to flexible filaments enhance its versatility. With a high success rate and the ability to print at high speeds with excellent quality, the Creality K1 Max is a reliable choice for both professionals and enthusiasts looking to bring their 3D creations to life. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is a high-speed, clog-free printer equipped with a robust direct extruder and AI camera support for advanced functionality. It boasts a printing speed of up to 600 mm per second and can handle printing with carbon fiber filaments at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The printer features auto-leveling capabilities for precise prints and is part of the K1 upgrade series. Additionally, Creality offers the Filament Dry Box Pro, a storage solution designed to keep filaments dry and dust-proof during 3D printing. This accessory includes a filament spool holder dryer and is a useful addition to any 3D printing setup. Both products cater to the needs of enthusiasts and professionals looking for reliable and efficient 3D printing solutions.